We got Jacob out here. He's about to do some flips. Yep, hit it. Oh yeah.
Dude, that felt so good. My knee like doesn't even hurt. Yes.
Nice.
We're gonna go light train lead today. Train lightly.
We're gonna train lightly today. I'll be your cameraman. Peace.
Yo, what up everyone? It's your boy Jacob Nye here. With me today is
Sam.
And also known as Buddy. So if you're ever with us, his name is Buddy. Taylor is at work right now, but we wanted to film, make a video.
Yep.
A lot of stuff has happened, meaning college stuff. I won't go in detail with that. We filmed some slow-mos earlier of us crushing a pop can. And us crushing a water bottle.
And we're gonna get a paint can and we're gonna explode that, so
stay tuned for that. That will be at the end?
Yeah,
we'll put that at the end, so wait for that. It's really cool. Got some cool shots of that. But yeah, we're gonna start training. Peace.
What a legend. Woo.
Yeah!
Dude, give me a high five.
Dude, oh my gosh, you have no idea how amazing this feels. I haven't done this in like 2.5 months. This feels good.
Oh, that was sick.
Yes! Oh my god.
Ooh. You good?
Good.
Alright. Heck yeah. 3, 2, 1, throw.
Let's do it again.
Try to. Oh no. Yeah. Keep throwing it. Keep throwing it. I think the paint's all gone. Look at the.
Easy note.
Yeah, go. Throw it. Throw it. Oh my god. It's not gonna explode, is it?
Alright guys, so as you can see, I tried to explode a spray paint can, didn't get it. I mean, it just kept on oozing out like this. Made some good art. Splattered a couple times. Hopefully the GoPro got some good angles. Splattered on it a little bit. Alright, that's today's clip today. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, it felt really good to actually do some tricks. Next video I'll explain what I did to my knee. It's kind of a long story, so I don't want to drag this one on because we just want to make this one a nice short one just to get another video out there because, well, I've been slacking a lot. I've been injured, and it sucks, and baseball. So, buddy, anything to say?
Well, just good for you to get back out there and start parkouring again. And I guess nothing else.
Make sure to hit those buttons, guys, and check out these videos. I don't know where they're at, but check them out. And wait for next video.